Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian-style chicken salad. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, focusing on tender chicken and vibrant spices. You'll learn the simple steps to prepare the chicken, ensuring it's perfectly cooked and ready to absorb all the wonderful flavors. Then, we'll craft a creamy, aromatic dressing that truly makes this dish stand out. Get ready to create a delicious and easy meal. First, let's prepare our chicken. Take 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and boil them gently in water for about 15 minutes, or until they are thoroughly cooked through. Once done, remove the chicken and let it cool completely. This step is crucial for easy shredding. Then, using 2 forks or your hands, shred the chicken into small, even pieces. This texture is perfect for soaking up our amazing dressing. Now for the heart of our Indian chicken salad, the dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Next, add your aromatic spices, 1 teaspoon of fragrant curry powder, a small pinch of vibrant turmeric, and a dash of salt to taste. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion and a generous amount of fresh cilantro. Mix everything until it's beautifully combined. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your perfectly shredded chicken to the bowl with the flavorful Indian dressing. Gently fold the chicken into the dressing, ensuring every single piece is thoroughly coated. You want that delicious flavor in every bite. Once mixed, cover the bowl and chill the chicken salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.